Hello, so today I am making the filling for pierogies, and it's my version. I have 1.25 pounds of potatoes, 1 green onion, 1 red onion, and I'm, chopping that up really fine, minced. And then you're going to need some cheddar cheese shredded. And what we're going to do is when these potatoes are still hot, we're going to mash that with the cheese. But first I'm going to saute the onions. So the onions are sauteed. You can use white onions, yellow onions. I like sweet red onions, and I like a scallion. So I have a whole red onion and 1 scallion, which I sauteed in olive oil. Doing it with one hand, folks. Now I'm going to add a brick, which is 8 ounces of cheddar, shredded. These are the 1 1/4 pounds of potatoes. They're still hot. You want them to be hot, so have your cheese pre-shredded. I'm just going to smash them up. Mashed potatoes are in, cheddar cheese, and the onions, and you're going to stir it all up. Now my tip is, you don't have to stir it with the spoon. Get a glove and start squishing it together. The potatoes are still warm. The cheese is going to meld with the warm potatoes and the onions. This is the filling for a pierogi. You can use cheddar cheese. You can use farmer's cheese. Some people have used cream cheese. Most Polish people that I know, they use the farmer's cheese, but I like cheddar cheese. And there are many fillings. There's feta cheese with spinach. There's mushroom and onion. You can use red Leicester, but I like the cheddar cheese. Now this doesn't need an egg. It's squishy enough. If you want, you can add some sour cream. This is 1/2 cup. It makes the dough or the filling a little bit wetter. So there you go. A brick of cheddar, 1.25 pounds of mashed potatoes, and 1 onion, and I added a scallion. Now this is going to sit in the refrigerator overnight. It doesn't have to, but I am not making the dough today. So thank you for watching. To be continued with the pierogies.